I'm Roy Semple from SelectHub. Welcome to our head-to-head matchup and review of two of the biggest names in CRM software, Salesforce versus HubSpot. In this video, we'll look specifically at Salesforce Sales Cloud and HubSpot Sales by evaluating their advantages, disadvantages, and the key differences between them. For the purpose of this comparison and review, we are evaluating the full systems, not free versions, to see what each system provides when you're coughing up the monthly payments. We'll look at how these systems support accounts, contacts, leads and opportunities, customer communications, quotes, contracts, and other CRM capabilities. Both of these solutions are dominant players in the CRM software market, but there are major differences between the two that can be critical in the way your company benefits from each CRM system. By the end of this video, you will know which of these top CRM systems is best suited to help your company drive sales and meet its financial goals. Check out the SelectHub CRM Research Center for more information on CRM software and evaluation tools to help you select the best CRM software for your business. Before moving on, let's take a quick look at point scoring. These scores form the basis of our evaluations. Inside our Express Evaluation app, you can hover over the question mark icon to see how the level of support for different features determines a score for that feature. The top level of support is fully supported out of the box, providing a 100% score for that feature. This is followed by moderately supported out of the box, giving an 85%, and so on. The individual scores in our CRM evaluation report are rolled up into an overall score, which is weighted by our prioritizations and displayed at the top of the report. That way, the overall score is based on your specific business requirements. When buying mission-critical software for your company, it's a good idea to know who you're buying from. We know that Salesforce is big, but did you know that Salesforce is not only the biggest CRM vendor by a large margin, it's also the fifth biggest software company in the world, just behind Microsoft, Oracle, SAP, and IBM. That's pretty impressive for a company founded in 1999 to provide CRM-related solutions in the cloud, a bold idea at the time. An idea so bold, many experts thought it preposterous and doomed to fail. But customers voted with their wallets, and Salesforce's crazy idea, with its tagline of no software, ushered in a new era of software as a service, SaaS, vendors who have come to dominate the market, with Salesforce as the biggest winner in an ever-expanding cloud technology universe. Let's look at the key developments with Salesforce to see how their CRM solution has evolved. After a launch in 2000 and a successful IPO on the New York Stock Exchange in 2004, Salesforce introduced their App Exchange, which was the beginnings of a third-party developer explosion of connected apps and services. In 2012, they launched Salesforce Marketing Cloud and acquired leading marketing automation solution Pardot, not coincidentally, a key competitor to HubSpot's marketing application. In 2017, Salesforce integrates Einstein AI into their CRM. Users approve and sales jump by 25%. The acquisition of market-leading analytics platform Tableau in 2019 is another game changer, providing a revenue boost of 29% in that year. Today, Salesforce continues to pile up the accolades with number one rankings from the likes of Gartner and IDC as it pushes forward with a progressive product and social agenda, including its commitment as a net zero enterprise with 100% renewable energy achieved across its global operations. What's not to like? HubSpot looked at Salesforce and decided to provide a different kind of CRM, maybe better. HubSpot's marketing automation software was and still is the go-to marketing automation platform for Salesforce CRM customers. The integration between these two platforms is sublime. HubSpot knows Salesforce's CRM intimately. HubSpot's marketing automation software was built around a revolutionary idea they called inbound marketing, an antidote to the high cost of the traditional advertising model. Putting these concepts forward in 2005 in the form of a blog, HubSpot quickly grew an army of devoted followers. By 2008, they had packaged a HubSpot marketing automation solution and were selling to select businesses. Their CRM was launched in 2014 and has since become one of the most popular CRM systems on the market. Along the way, HubSpot acquired Kenvy, an AI solution providing machine learning for their applications, and PySync to bolster data management and synchronization, making HubSpot CRM a leads management powerhouse with automated lead scoring, management, and distribution. SelectHub ranks HubSpot CRM in the top tier of its CRM Leaderboard, and its marketing automation solution is a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for B2B marketing automation platforms in 2022. Although Salesforce dominates worldwide CRM sales, HubSpot CRM has a lot of momentum, reaching $1.7 billion in sales, reflecting a 36% year-over-year growth rate. Now that we have looked at the evolution of both of these CRM systems, let's compare their present-day capabilities, including strengths and weaknesses. We'll dig into Salesforce Sales Cloud first. As we've seen, Salesforce is credited with inventing SaaS CRM with their No Software campaign, and they currently have the biggest market share. Fun fact, when Salesforce started selling their software as a service CRM in 1999, they were the one and only SaaS company on the planet. Since then, the growth in SaaS has far outpaced traditional on-premise acquisitions. Gartner estimates that by 2025, 2/3 of spending on application software will be directed towards these cloud technologies. Users give Salesforce Sales Cloud a rating of 86%, shown here as the smiley face, and SelectHub analysts give it 87% rating based on a standard weighting of 196 requirements in our CRM evaluation model. Both of these scores make Salesforce the leader in its class. Sales Cloud by Salesforce helps businesses of all sizes work more efficiently, track key metrics, and manage client databases. It supports integration with Gmail, HubSpot Marketing, analytics apps, sales intelligence apps, and more, along with different organizational departments such as finance, marketing, and commerce. Salesforce is known for its deep integration capabilities, and it provides a powerful, centralized client database that easily connects to almost any enterprise or back-office application and can serve up all that data in comprehensive reports and dashboards. Also of note, starting in 2013, Salesforce went all in with mobile support. You can now access the full Salesforce experience on your mobile device, including any AppExchange tools you might be using. This focus on mobile has put Salesforce above its competitors, including HubSpot, for meeting the demands of dispersed and mobile businesses. Some of the negatives include the higher cost of Salesforce versus competitors, and that navigation can be complicated and require a lot of training. Although Salesforce has an upgrade called Lightning Experience, which includes an enhanced sales funnel, reports, and security, many users don't like the experience and have stuck to the classic interface. It's hard to say if this is because users just don't like the change from a familiar interface, or if the new Lightning Experience makes certain tasks less intuitive. Most top analysts recognize Salesforce as a dominant player in the CRM space. Based on Gartner's 2022 scoring criteria, which now takes into account bot capabilities, proposal and quote systems, and other new features, Salesforce is rated as a leader in innovation, market understanding, and sales strategy. Gartner places HubSpot CRM at the top of its niche players quadrant and highlights its rapid development of new features, including its content tracking tools and flexible sales revenue models. SelectHub's rating model is different than Gartner's and is based on our analyst evaluations of the most important features combined with scoring data compiled during selection projects. In SelectHub's CRM model, HubSpot ranks at the top of our leaderboard, as does Salesforce. Let's get to SelectHub's evaluation of HubSpot Sales Hub. As we saw earlier, HubSpot came to the CRM party in 2015, a good 15 years after Salesforce reinvented CRM. but it's been growing quickly and has established itself as a top CRM choice with an impressive client list across industries and all company sizes. Users give HubSpot Sales a rating of 85%, basically tied with Salesforce at the top of user satisfaction surveys. HubSpot Analysts give it 86% rating, 1 point off Salesforce in our CRM evaluation model. Both HubSpot's scores are within a point of Salesforce. Each of these solutions have different strengths and weaknesses, which is why a choice rests on the specific needs of your organization. HubSpot Sales is a customizable CRM that enables customer and prospect nurturing, improves lead conversion rates, and facilitates efficient pipeline management. A code-free, simple interface makes it easy to use for users without technical expertise. But don't mistake its simplicity for a lack of features. HubSpot Sales provides quote generation, communication management, automated reminders and follow-ups, standardized email templates, effective metrics, dynamic dashboards, and more. You can also take advantage of an interconnected hub of other HubSpot applications, including their top-rated marketing automation platform, customer service software, and content management software. Salespeople appreciate the detailed insights which allow them to intelligently prioritize and follow up with the hottest leads by sending instant emails using templates or reaching them via phone. The negatives include cost. Once you get past the starter package, it gets expensive quickly for multiple users and some key features. And HubSpot CRM is really designed to work best within its own ecosystem of connected apps such as the HubSpot marketing automation and content management applications. If you're looking for a standalone CRM to connect to non-HubSpot marketing or content platforms, the argument for HubSpot CRM is a bit less convincing. Using SelectHub data, we can see how Salesforce performs against the top functional requirements identified as most important by CRM software buyers. For comparison, you can see HubSpot represented by the blue line in this chart. We'll come back to them in a minute. Salesforce Sales Cloud strengths include integration and platform capabilities. Both of these systems support a broad range of third-party integrations, but Salesforce edges out HubSpot in its scope of configurations and support for custom apps. Salesforce scores higher for dashboard and reporting functions and products management, including superior capabilities for product catalogs and custom portals. It also shines generating quotes, orders, and contracts, automating many of these functions and providing high visibility. It outscores HubSpot for team collaboration. This is mainly due to the lack of support for social feeds, which needs to be handled by a third-party app outside the platform. Salesforce weaknesses include cost. It can get pricey. This is especially felt by smaller businesses. Leads management is a surprising weakness compared to other competitors that employ AI to provide lead and conversion intelligence. Slow load times are another factor noted by the majority of users. HubSpot's strengths include its simplicity, ease of use, and its seamless connection to its own top-tier marketing, content, and customer service applications. It beats Salesforce for leads management with more robust AI driving lead analysis and conversion intelligence. It also allows for easy capture of LinkedIn data and data enrichment from extraneous sources such as card scanners and emails. Document management, including superior search capabilities, is another strong suit, with SelectHub Analysts giving a top score of 100. And for opportunities management, it provides solid features for pipeline, activity, and probability management. HubSpot weaknesses include the monthly cost of the solution, which can be a deterrent once all the required users and features are factored in. Accounts and contract management, where its feature set is not up to the level of its competitors, and it only provides basic support for quotes, orders, and contracts, workflows, and team collaboration. Let's dig into the differences between Salesforce and HubSpot using the Express evaluation tool. We'll start with our default settings, which include all the major CRM modules. Once we have our selections, we can compare products. As you can see, Salesforce edges out HubSpot in the overall score. However, this is only part of the story as both of these systems offer different CRM capabilities. Let's drill into these ratings to see what they mean for your CRM decision. We can refer back to our spider chart to see areas of particular interest to us and then drill down to better understand what each solution offers. Let's look at dashboards and reports, leads management, and quotes, orders, and contracts. We can see that Salesforce edges out HubSpot for API usage tracking, call analytics, and is alone in the ability to embed charts in third-party dashboards, a capability that HubSpot does not even offer. However, HubSpot provides native and robust reporting for email deliveries, campaigns, and send metrics, a capability that Salesforce only offers through their Marketing Cloud, a separate application that you have to pay for. Going back to our spider chart, we see that HubSpot, represented with the blue line, has a distinct advantage over Salesforce in the area of leads management. Let's see what that advantage looks like. HubSpot's main advantage is in its native use of AI, artificial intelligence, for sales activities, including lead conversions, and provides predictive analytics, proposing best steps to qualify leads. Salesforce offers similar capabilities through its Einstein AI, a separate module that you have to pay for. HubSpot also tops Salesforce in the area of data collection and enrichment using email and other external sources such as LinkedIn. This brings us to the last of our 3 drill downs, quotes, orders, and contracts management, where Salesforce pretty much dominates HubSpot and most other CRM systems. Although HubSpot does support some order and contract management operations, it relies on integration with PandaDoc to support many of the features that Salesforce supports natively. Some users will already have a third-party tool or opt to use a separate application for these operations. But if you want your CRM to handle orders and contracts end-to-end, Salesforce is hard to beat. Let's see what happens if we take quotes, orders, and contracts out of our evaluation model. We can do that here. When we return to our scores, we see that HubSpot is now rated higher for the remaining modules. So it's important to clearly define what you need from your CRM. A key decision factor for a CRM acquisition is the cost. Both Salesforce and HubSpot provide CRM pricing on their sites. Salesforce's published pricing provides a lot of detail, but it can be a bit confusing to match all your current and future needs against these costs. It's always best to speak to a salesperson to clarify actual costs. HubSpot makes this exercise simpler by comparing their pricing against their competitor, Salesforce. HubSpot claims to include a lot of features that are extra cost options with Salesforce. They try to make this case with the typical needs for a sales team of 50. In this scenario, they highlight a cost of $6,000 a month for their solution against $7,500 for similar features with Salesforce. They go on to include costs for additional users, implementation, and maintenance to provide a better comparison of the total costs involved. If you are considering Salesforce, it might be a good idea to use this as a reference to clarify all costs associated with your CRM implementation. As we've seen, Salesforce invented cloud CRM and has dominated the market for the last 20 years. But HubSpot is challenging the CRM crown with its more user-friendly approach and connections to its own top-rated marketing automation, content management, and customer service applications. Salesforce Sales Cloud comes out the winner of the CRM comparison review with a score of 87% against 86% for HubSpot. Its deep experience has allowed it to perfect integrations into just about any type of enterprise software ecosystem, including HubSpot's marketing automation platform. It provides data geeks and executives with unparalleled reports and dashboards and shines generating quotes, orders, and contracts. As a CRM, it is literally the industry standard with 90% of Fortune 500 companies using it to manage their business relationships. HubSpot Sales arguably offers a cost advantage and slicker workflows and is gaining new users and developing new features more quickly than Salesforce. Salesforce will need to continue its innovations at a rapid pace to stay ahead in this fiercely competitive market. This concludes our comparison of Salesforce Sales Cloud versus HubSpot Sales. Use the links in the description below or to compare other CRM systems, get a demo, or receive expert advice. And subscribe to our channel now for more in-depth reviews of software leaders just like these ones. Thanks for using SelectHub for your CRM software research.